Indiana
Goes
first.
up 34-31.
That was a bookback turned in next to mat 7 into the Boston Found. Mat 7, there was a black bookback turned in the Boston Found.
As we continue the competition,
Identify the back of the
2012 USAW National School Boys Girl Duels. And Washington's Dallas Goodmaster comes out and scores fast within 5 seconds. Scores the point over Jacob Jones. Louisville Freestyle Wrestling Club and a nice lateral drop by the Peninsula Wrestling Dallas Goodmaster. For a feet to back, looking to score 4-1 in 15 seconds of the start of the first period. And now a double leg and 3 more points. That's going to tech fall the period.
One blue. Hey, hey. Scores 5.
I guess they didn't score it that way, and it's now 5-0. And now the step out. That's
One
6.
blue. Stop the match.
That's going to be a technical superiority for Dallas Goodmaster, who is your 4-time Greco State champion, 4-time freestyle state champion, 3-time folk style state champion, 6-time Western Regional title champion, 2-time Western Regional Triple Crown winner, 3-time USAW national champion.
There we go.
Dallas Goodmaster comes in here with quite a list of credentials. Coming up against the Indiana Gold Wrestler who won the
One blue.
freestyle state championship 4 times. And just won it this year, plus the Greco-Roman state championships this year. And Jacob Jones. Gold hat champion coming up against the newly acquired champion,
Get out of it.
Jacob Jones. Goodmaster will be attending Prairie High School.
One blue.
Now garners 2 points. With a minute left in the second period.
Let's go.
And this is important. As Indiana received 4 points for the technical. Last match. Washington did earn 1
Two blue.
Now we're going to see.
What do you do? No.
Okay, no points awarded, so that's good. And that's good for Washington because a Goodmaster can tech ball without being scored on, and he's going to do it. If not get the pin, if he gets the pin, it's 5. If he gets the technical win, he's got to hold him on the back. But if he gets a tech win, it's only 14 points. So it's important to wait on the pin, and it happens. So Indiana garners 0 points there as Washington gets a huge pin. Helping the team score out with just 1 match left to go.
Hey.